The VISOR V50 is SensorPart's latest addition to the VISOR family, now with 5 megapixel and a global imaging shutter, perfect for high speed and high resolution applications. Those of you familiar with the siblings in their family, the V10 and the V20 models, we carry the same dovetail and the same electrical connectivity, and quite importantly, the same 45 by 45 millimeter housing. Being part of the VISOR family is also directly compatible with all its siblings, both electrically and mechanically, making designing it in effortless. The powerful but easy to use VISOR PC software suite has also been updated to include the new V50 models for both monochrome and colour. The VISOR V50 can be used in a wide range of applications across the factory floor, from inspection to identification. So we can do barcode reading, we can do robotic guidance, and we can do combinations of measurement, colour analysis. So whether you're reading a large tray of products for the barcodes, whether you're picking up a body panel with a robot for 3D pick and place, or whether you're doing a combination of colour and measurement, the VISOR V50 has the ability to do it all. What makes it stand out from the competitors is that despite it being 5 megapixel, we have no separate controller required. So everything is processed inside this little case. It's 45 by 45 with integrated digital I/O, integrated lens and illumination. So it's really easy to implement into the factory shop floor. Another one of the features that's really useful for the VISOR V50 product family is it's available in both an integrated lens and illumination model and a C-mount lens model. So we can use telecentric lenses or interchangeable lenses depending on the application. We also have seamless integration into all PLCs and robotics controllers through the Ethernet ports and the digital I/O. Normally, to get this level of imaging, you need to be using a full-blown vision system with its complex vision programming and quite often unique programming languages. Our team in Germany have worked really hard to achieve vision system performance in our vision sensor. So no longer do you need to have unique programming languages. We can achieve what you achieve with your vision systems in our vision sensor. This makes it cost effective, and because we have no separate controller, it reduces your electrical panel space that you require for the installation. The industry-proven software that goes along with the V50 package covers all of our vision product sensor range. So again, whether you're doing a V10 code reader, a simple object camera application, or a color application, you can now add a V50 camera in the system. Onwards commissioning is made easy by the fact we have online tutorials and written help files for all of the integration to PLCs and robotics controllers. The addition of the VISOR V50 5 megapixel camera into our existing vision sensor range really allows customers now to do all of their vision applications on one platform with one suite of software in one mechanical housing.